ma'am. Today we are going to discuss about vegetables, nutrition value and its classification. Vegetables are parts of plants that are consumed by humans or other animals as food. Vegetables play an important role in human nutrition. Most are low in fat and calories, but are bulky and filling. They supply dietary fiber and are important sources of essential vitamins, minerals, and trace elements. The original meaning is still commonly used and is applied to plants collectively to refer to all edible plant matter, including the flowers, fruits, stems, leaves, roots, and seeds. The alternate definition of the term is applied somewhat arbitrarily, often the cultural traditional. It may exclude foods derived from some plants that are fruits, flowers, nuts, and cereal grains, but includes savory fruits such as tomatoes and flowers such as broccoli and seeds such as pulses. Compared with individuals who eat less than 3 servings of fruits and vegetables each day, those that are eat more than 5 servings have an approximately 20% lower of risk of developing coronary heart diseases or stroke. The nutritional content of vegetables are varies considerably. Some contain useful amounts of proteins, though generally they contain little fat and varying proportions of vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin K, and vitamin B6, provitamins, dietary minerals, and carbohydrates. Vegetables often also contain toxins and anti-nutrients which interfere with the absorption of nutrients. Vegetables, particularly leafy vegetables, have been implicated in early half the gastrointestinal infections caused by norovirus in the United States. The amount of 100 grams per vegetables we taken calories is 65, as we compared more protein 2.9 grams and including vitamin A, calcium, vitamin D, cobalamin, vitamin C, iron, vitamin B6, magnesium. Next classification is continued by Aisha.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon,
Aisha, are you
ma'am.
there?
Yeah, I'm there. Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Aishu from ANBG. Today I'm going to tell about the topic vegetable classification. Vegetables are classified according to which part of the plant is eaten, whereas several different parts of the plant are edible to eat. Vegetables are classified into 4 groups. They are roots, greens, fruit vegetables, and pulses. Roots are classified into carrots, parspin, onion, potato, and turnips. Green vegetables are classified into cabbage, broccoli, lettuce, Brussels sprouts. Fruit vegetables are classified into tomato, pepper, cucumber, conjugate, and marrow. Pulses are classified into peas, beans, lentils, and root vegetables are onion, garlic, ginger, beetroot, carrot, and potato. Green vegetables are cabbage, broccoli, capsicum, cauliflower, etc. Fruit vegetables are tomato, cucumber, capsicum, etc. Next,
Aishu, ma'am.
the next topic will be continued by Pavani, ma'am.
Yeah. Good afternoon, ma'am. My topic is nutrition value. Here, eating vegetables provide health benefits. And we all know that people who eat more vegetables all over healthy diet and likely to have a reduced risk of some chronic diseases. And here vegetables provide nutrients and health, and it maintains our body. And eating a diet rich in vegetables, vitamin A keeps the eyes and skin healthy and helps to protect against infections. And we all know that vitamin C helps in heal cuts and wounds and keeps the teeth and gums healthy. And vitamin C aids in a iron absorption. And some vegetables are rich in diet and also may protect against certain type of cancers. And most vegetables are naturally low in fat and calories. And vegetables are important source of many nutrients and including potassium and vitamin A, vitamin C, and dietary fibers. And next, nutrition value. All vegetables containing a lot of water to prevent dehydration in our body. Ma'am, next. Net is netos. That containing high biological value protein for growth. And here, food containing all the essential amino acids are said to have a high biological value. And here, some foods from animals. These are the meat, poultry, fishes, eggs, and dairy products. And these are the high biological values. But in plants only, soya is the only one to get high biological value. And lack fat and often add during cooking, and good sources of fiber for healthy digestive system. And same vitamin C for general health and vitamin A for skin, eyes, growth membranes. And here we all know that calcium for bones and teeth. Here iron for the blood and potassium for nerves and muscles. Here, what is the value in the diet and dietetic value? It adds color, flavor, texture to the diet, and it is a good source of vitamins and also minerals, and good source for fibers. And here, mainly for healthy digestive system. Here, pulses are the cheap source for protein and important for vegans. Here, low in calories, but good for the low calorie diets also. And potatoes are high in starch and good for energy, and also available frozen and canned and dried. Next, Shivani will continue now.
Now, effect of cooking on vegetables is loss of vitamin C. So eat raw if possible. It's better to eat certain foods cooked, as raw version may contain harmful bacteria. Cooking food actively kills bacteria that may cause foodborne illness. However, fruits and vegetables are generally safe to consume raw as long as they have not been contaminated. Cellulose softens and softens. Some vegetables absorb water and swell. Minerals dissolve into cooking water. Vegetables lose color and flavor, so cook for shortest possible time. To retain maximum nutrition, preparation, use fresh vegetables, eat raw when possible, prepare just before cooking, wash in cold running water, do not steep, leave skin on or peel thinly, cut up as little as possible, use sharp knife for chopping. Cooking, put into boiling salted water, do not add bread, so cook quickly in smallest amount of water, cover with lid, use cooking liquid in gravies. Preservation of vegetables, frozen peas, broccoli, green beans, sweet corn. Examples, advantages, nutritionally as good as fresh vegetables, good color, flavor, texture, no preparation or waste, cook quickly. Disadvantages, expensive, must be stored in a freezer or frozen food compartment. Dried tomatoes, chickpeas, soyabeans, lentils. Advantages relatively cheap. Disadvantages loss of vitamins, must be steeped, longer cooking needed, poor texture and color. Beans, peas, sweet corns, tomatoes. Advantages cheap, only need a reheating, no preparation needed. Disadvantage loss of vitamin C, minerals dissolves into canning liquid, may contain coloring. Thank you, ma'am.